First, we start with a monitor that's been fully cleaned. I then take some solution and I shoot it on my hands, rubbing my hands together, make sure there's nothing on my fingertips. I take the film and the solution and I spray the corner. Separate the back liner, let it drop to the floor. Take the solution, liberally apply on the back, apply on the screen. Take the screen protector like this, position it accordingly. Just let that thing set up right there for a few seconds, just like that. Take your solution, spray the top, take the squeegee, starting from the center, going all the way across, capturing the solution with the rag or microfiber, either one. Gently going back and forth like this, getting all the solution out. Start on the other side. Now it's natural for there to be bubbles, some ghosting of the adhesive. Do this one more time. Don't have to be in a hurry, go nice and slow. Other side like this. And there you have it. Now depending on the environment which you're putting on the screen, it could wet out or dry as quick as 24 hours or as long as possibly 4 days. The good thing is it's ready to use right away. There will be bubbles, there could be some ghosting of the adhesive, but again, it will be ready to use right away. That's the proper installation of a LifeShield Medical Grade Screen Protector.